case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Supreme Court hosted an intriguing legal battle in 1993. Alexander vs. United States. The case revolved around Ferris J. Alexander, a businessman who capitalized upon the adult entertainment industry for more than 30 years, selling explicit materials through several retail stores. Alexander's multi-million-dollar empire was thrown into jeopardy when, in 1989, he encountered federal charges, including racketeering and obscenity offenses. He was ultimately convicted for these crimes, leading the district court to demand forfeiture of his assets linked to his racketeering activities. Unsurprisingly, Alexander took issue with this ruling, asserting it infringed upon his First and Eighth Amendment rights. The Supreme Court agreed to hear the case, investigating the constitutionality of the asset forfeiture. This verdict of the lower court was based on the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, better known as RICO violations. The Supreme Court saw the forfeiture not as a preventive measure against future speech, prior restraint, but as punishment for past criminal conduct. Therefore, the court dismissed Alexander's First Amendment claim. However, as for the Eighth Amendment's challenge, the Supreme Court decided not to outright dismiss it, like it did for the First Amendment claim. Rather, it held the excessive fines clause, which limits the government's power to extract payments as punishment for an offense, as the proper lens to scrutinize the asset forfeiture. Thus, the Supreme Court overturned the judgment from the Court of Appeals and sent the case back for further review. With this order, the highest court in the U.S. carved out a significant decree, affirming the fine line between punishments for past crimes and unconstitutional limitations on future expressions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.